Hey guys, welcome to the chase today. We are heading towards Indianapolis. The thunderstorm's out here in Indianapolis. We're going to chase. Guys, right around Greenwood here. This is a really nice storm here. It's to our south.
National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
I don't know.
southeastern Pasco,
We're down that spot right there.
Hillsborough County, all in central and west central.
Everybody, look at the shelf cloud. We got our shelf cloud right here. Oh yeah, CG lightning. Let's back up a little bit. Back up, back up, back up. We're going to move here in a minute, Drew. We're going to move here in a minute. Because I want to get down there. I just want to get a shot of this for a second. We're going to move here in a minute. It's moving quick. Let's get a quick shot. We're going to move. We're going to move. This thing's got to go severe soon.
Northwestern Crawford and Orange County, all in south central Indiana until 18.
There we go. That's it. Right there, Derek. How's that?
We'll stay here for a minute longer. We'll move. It's moving quick. Okay, let me know when you're ready to move. We gotta move here in a minute because I don't know when there's the next east route. It's gotta be down there, next east route. Everybody watch on YouTube. We are keeping up good in this shelf cloud. Look at this shelf cloud we formed. Nope, I'm not going. It's got that woolly spookiness to it, which I like.
Severe warned again.
It is? Look how it goes to a wall. Come on, go Warren, go Warren, go Warren. This is nice. Everybody, look at this wall. Look at this shelf cloud, everybody. This is why we chase. Look at this. It's spooky. It's got that dark bottom. Oh, I just love this. Is dream. This is. Look at that. Even the base is dark. You get the light color with the base. Stratus in front. This thing's gotta go warned, Drew. Look at this. It's gotta be warned. I mean, when you get a storm this mean, you know you're facing 80-mile-an-hour winds.
Right now, I just got a foot warm.
Oh, look at that right there. Look at all that beauty right there. It's forming.
Turned it on.
You see this? So far, it's just flood warning, but look at this shelf cloud here. Starting to produce CG bolts again.
How's it going, guys? You only got a minute or so.
Yeah, this thing's moving on us, but we can stay a little bit longer. I wonder if that road heads out east, heads out back to,
We'll go back on 52.
yeah.
How's it going? Just storm chasers. It's a slow day too, but it's mostly just flooding. Maybe a little bit of hail, that's about it.
It looks like it's a mean storm. Once produced 80, 90-mile-an-hour winds, but
They don't even have it warned right now, so it just looks awesome.
keep an eye on that. Yep,
It's
Yep.
like,
it's not rapidly rotating.
super cells you see out in the west. Oh, it's had a wide angle lens.
Come on, will you drop? Will you drop? Oh, look at this, Drew. Look at this. We're starting to get. Yep.
Get wet.
Maybe we better move. Hang on, guys. I think we're getting some. Look at a lot of action going on here.
Oh man, if there's more CD, I said there's a. Yeah, but one of these days.
Look at that right there. Look at that. I like to get in front of that right there. Look at that. Look at that wall.
You guys want to check it up on social media? It's NRCW Storm.
We're from Cincinnati.
You're not even paying attention.
I do too.
Amazing how fast it goes.
Thank you, camera. Baby, I love you. This is amazing. Come on, Manuel. Oh, I think I got that on camera too. Oh, this is nice. Look at the rotations. I'm getting this circulation way quick.
And towards Norman. From northern Texas and Stevens County,
It's reorganizing.
Oklahoma, electrical traffic.
Show cloud's reorganizing. Everybody beginning today, we thought this was going to be a bus chase because wasn't hardly anything happening, but this is absolutely amazing. Look at this. Look at this nice curvature. I mean, guys, it's actually almost like a... One last view, guys. One last view. Shelf, you've been amazing, but we're going to leave you after this. That way quick. Look at this curbing.
You really need to put that vest on. Yeah, help us, dude.